Repowering and recycling of photovoltaic parks. Repowering photovoltaic parks involves modernizing and improving existing photovoltaic systems to increase their efficiency, effectiveness, and production capacity. Photovoltaic parks built several years ago are often based on older technologies and components that lose efficiency over time. Thanks to repowering, it is possible to replace them with modern solutions, which significantly increases their potential. One of the key elements of this process is the replacement of old photovoltaic panels with new ones. Panels that have been used for years lose their efficiency over time, mostly due to the natural degradation process. Such a replacement not only allows an increase in the amount of energy produced by the farm, but also a long-term optimization of its operation. But what happens to the old panels? Recycling plays a key role in this. Dismantled photovoltaic modules are subjected to special recycling processes aimed at recovering a maximum of valuable raw materials. It is worth mentioning that photovoltaic modules are made of many valuable materials such as glass, aluminum, copper, silicon, and silver. Thanks to advanced technologies, it is possible to recover these raw materials in an effective and ecological way. The process of recycling photovoltaic modules begins with dismantling and separating the individual layers of the module. In the initial phase, aluminum frames and cables are removed and can be recycled as separate components. The panels then go to special facilities where glass, silicon, and other materials are separated and prepared for reuse. Repowering and recycling are closely linked, as both processes are crucial for sustainable development and optimal use of resources. By replacing old modules with modern ones, we not only increase the efficiency of the photovoltaic park, but also protect the environment by reducing the amount of waste and promoting a circular economy. Thanks to repowering, photovoltaic parks are given new life, and module recycling ensures that the energy transition takes place in a responsible and ecological way. This is a perfect example of how to combine modern technology with environmental protection and create solutions that serve both people and our planet. Lighthief provides comprehensive repowering and recycling services for photovoltaic parks across Europe. As an active EPC, engineering, procurement, construction company, Lighthief not only provides technologies and manages the agricultural construction process, but also has expertise in the dismantling and recycling of photovoltaic modules. As part of the repowering process, Lighthief is replacing older, less efficient panels with modern, more powerful modules. Photovoltaic modules removed from the plant are subjected to recycling processes in which raw materials such as glass, aluminum, silicon, or copper are recovered. This minimizes waste, and materials can be reused in production. Lighthief also offers comprehensive site preparation for new installations. This service includes not only the removal of old panels, but also the modernization of electrical infrastructure, optimization of farms, and the installation of new components. If the investor decides to return the area to its original state, Lighthief also carries out such orders, ensuring proper protection and recultivation of the land. Thanks to its experience in the renewable energy sector, combined with an innovative approach, Lighthief supports investors in the transition to modern energy solutions while ensuring sustainable management of the materials used. The company is distinguished by its professionalism and commitment to environmental protection, making it a reliable partner in the implementation of photovoltaic projects.